Speed ovens are a great way to quickly produce foods, and there are small to large, there are countertop, there are freestanding, there are a number of different kinds of speed ovens. Basically how it works is it's using a combination of microwave that's stirred and convection oven that's heated. The convected air is blown across the product at the same time that microwave is fired. Microwave will cook the inside, the outside will be finished by the convected air, giving you a crisp product on the outside and a beautifully cooked product on the inside. And what happens is the microwave is shot into the cavity and stirred with an antenna. A lot like at home, you have a microwave with a dish that spins the product. We don't have it here. We have a device that spins the micro in the cavity. And with the ability of convected air, I can brown things beautifully, and it looks like it came out of a regular oven far quicker in the turbo oven. And you can program multiple steps for delivering microwave at certain times, convected air at certain times, or both at times. You can drop temperatures or raise temperatures, so you can produce a great product designed specifically for the item you're trying to cook. It's a great way to cook, and it's a small footprint, heavy production. Speed ovens can be used for a number of things. It can be used for prepping food, i.e. heating sauces to prepare to go to other menus. It can be used for browning products as part of a menu. It can be used also for baking of potatoes beautifully. A 7-minute baked potato in this that can be tied to the production of a kitchen to never have shrink and loss of potatoes. You can do a number of things with it, but it is mainly an a la carte oven. It produces small quantities quickly. It doesn't produce large amounts of products quickly. 1 or 2 or 3 items, quick, and it is a la carte. People ask me, should I invest in a convection oven? What does it do? It's real simple. I'm going to open the door and explain it. When this oven is running, there's a fan in the back that circulates heat. And in front of that fan are cowl rods or heat exchangers. So the fan is blowing the heat into the oven, circulating it, and it usually comes straight out, hits and rotates, and is returned with a return air system back over to the fan and then through the element. So you're constantly replenishing to keep that temperature at 350 or whatever you're baking at. But what it does, it actually blows the hot air over your product. Now there's a cold zone here and there's a hot zone here. It takes longer for that cold to be dissipated and allowing the heat to sink into your product. The fan will blow away the cold and increase the entry of warm air, which will decrease your cook time or drop your temperature for cooking. Traditionally, convection ovens drop the bake by about 20%, and you can work at about 25 degrees less heat and produce a great product. Why choose an oven that costs 15 to 20% more than a standard oven? It's real simple. This product we talked about will give you less shrink if you put moisture in it. It will allow you to bake or roast consistently without having to rotate your pans, which is very important, especially if you're baking croissants, finer products. If you have them without a convection oven, radiant ovens have hot spots. There's an element here, and the hot spot may be up in the top left-hand corner because heat rises. With a convection oven, the air circulates around, so the hot spots are traditionally gone, and the need to rotate for cookies or croissants or any bakery item is not needed. And for roasts and for meats and steaks and the like, it's great because it's consistent temperature and you're getting a great finish on the outside of your meat. That's why I spend the extra money on a convection oven.